Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use our glass wasp catchers. So first you're going to take the cork off the top of the glass wasp catcher. And we're going to pour about 6 ounces of a sugary mixture in there. You can use sugar water, soda, fruit juice. You can also use ripe fruit mixed with a little bit of water. You want to fill it up so that it's not overflowing into the opening. It's just about a couple inches from that part. And then you're going to replace the cork on the top. Now, this product does have some feet on the bottom, so it does allow the wasps to go inside when you're setting it on a flat surface. You can also set it on your deck steps like so, and it just creates a really beautiful, interesting piece. And you can even take it and hang it on a shepherd's hook so that it is a functional, decorative piece in your garden. And you're gonna wanna clean this out about once a week. You can take the cork off the top and shake it out. They should fall out, or you can take a bottle brush to clean them out of the bottom, and the liquid may also evaporate, and at that point you will wanna refill it with some sugary liquid.